What does a boat and a chair have to do with conformational isomers of rings? So here's cyclohexane. Stop the video and determine which conformer is more stable, A or B. So draw in the H's in those two structures, and that'll help you figure out the answer. And the answer is, so the chair conformer is more stable than the boat. In the boat, note that these 4 hydrogens in the axial position are causing strain. In the chair isomer, these atoms are causing the strain. Note that the H's in red and blue are also in the axial positions. The Newman projection of the chair conformer is shown. Note that the carbons are in the staggered positions. Now stop the video and draw the Newman projection of the boat conformer. And the answer is, note that the carbons are in the eclipse position for that boat conformer. Let's practice with a monosubstituted cyclohexane ring. So stop the video, identify which conformer is more stable. And the answer is, note that the substituent, in this case the methyl group, is more stable when it's in the equatorial position rather than the axial position. For disubstituted or polysubstituted rings, we can use wedges and dashes instead of drawing the chair conformer. A wedge means the substituent is above the ring, a dash means it's below the ring. So try this first. Stop the video and circle the groups in the chair conformer which are above the ring. The groups that are above the ring are, so the methyl group which is above the ring is this one, and the methyl group which is below the ring is that one. For a disubstituted cycloalkane ring, when 2 substituents are both above the ring or below the ring, that would be cis. When one is above and the other is below, that would be trans. So stop the video and answer these questions for 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. And the answers are, more practice. Stop the video and answer this question. And the answers are, so there are the names of the 3 compounds, and the second and third structures are stereoisomers. The most polar non-ionic compound was reported in the Chemical Engineering News, the trade journal of the American Chemical Society, in 2015. A few months later, a reader wrote in saying that another compound is the most polar non-ionic compound. For practice, I'd like you to stop the video and draw the chair conformer of this compound. And the answer is, so let's practice looking at these models of molecules. Stop the video and answer these 2 questions. So the answers are, this is the molecule from the previous slide. Many biomolecules contain rings. Stop the video and answer this question. What is the most stable conformer of each compound? The answer is the chair conformer. Go to this website and draw the structure and it'll convert it to a 3D structure. This compound is a drug used in veterinary medicine. Stop the video and identify the most stable conformation. Remember that equatorial substituents are more stable than axial, so the answer is, rings that contain atoms besides carbon are called heterocyclic compounds. Stop the video and answer those 2 questions. And the answers are yes and chair. Explosives have weak bonds which do not require much energy to break. When these weak bonds break, products will form which release a lot of energy. The explosive HMX has 2 crystal forms, a chair form and a boat form. Note that the boat form explodes more violently than the chair form. I heard that HMX was first produced in Britain. HMX stands for Her Majesty's Explosive. Cubane has been studied as a fuel and an explosive. Stop the video and determine what is the chemical form of cubane. And also determine the type of strain involved in cubane. And the answers are, as far as I know, cubane has not been synthesized yet. Many compounds contain 2 or more rings. These are polycyclic rings. These polycyclic rings are classified as either spiro, bridged, or fused rings. These 3 compounds have conformers. The most stable conformer is going to be the chair, and none of these compounds are planar. Here is a polycyclic ring which may be used as an anti-cancer therapy. Fusamarins are compounds that show a wide range of biological activities. Stop the video and answer the question, are the four rings in the same plane? And the answer is no. Note the wedge and dash on this carbon. In 2018, researchers found what could be a new class of stereoisomers. Go to this website to see the other isomer. Applications for this compound could be in drug molecules and molecular switches.